Good morning, everyone. Myself, Syed Usman. Today, me and my team are going to talk about SPV manufacturing in industries. So, basically, these are my group members. So, we'll start with the introduction. What is SAP? SAP manufacturing means application product of the processing data. It is a solution for the enable business to optimize the production time for their management and manufacturing operation by from various data and multiplying the data. They will provide real time insights into the production performs. And SAP manufacturing companies can streamline the product planning, improve their inventory management, and enhance collaboration across the supply chain. And it is a powerful employs obviously the powerful tool, and it has a high productivity improvement in productivity and the best quality. So from the next slide I will talk about benefits of implementing SAP in manufacturing. So they're like, so we choose out in your top four basic benefits of SAP. So SAP streamline operation. In streamline operation, the SAP enables the company streamline the product process of optimizing resource allocation and minimize the efficiency. So it will cost less and cost saving and improve the more productivity of the industries and the data. And the next one is enhanced data visibility. In enhanced data visibility, SAP provides real-time visibility into the manufacturing data. Like it varies from different level. Have one machine will make one thing and it will pass on to another machine and make one more thing. These are the enhanced data visibility, and you will keep the track and what machine is what doing, and you will have some more product and all. So next step is integrating supply chain market, or you will get some may multiplying the market. So basically, integrating manufacturing process means like you will supply chain management where you the faculties will seamlessly coordinate between production and procurement and logistics. This results leads to the time and optimization inventory levels in which you will have great merchandise, great product, and great this and all. So the last one is quality control and compliance. In this, and SAP offers robust quantity management features that ensures industry standard and regulatory requirements. This leads to consist of product quality and compliance, and this means that in this quality control, where SAP assigns a product where it will be like good quality, better than like labor cost and handmade. So it will show the accurate quality and control on the this, and it reduces the time. So on the next slide, I'll be talking about key features of SAP manufacturing model. In this, as the previous slide, I talked about integrating with ERP system, real-time production, and resource planning and optimization. So I'll talk about quality management. So in quality management, the model includes of robust quality management features and enable manufacturing. It shows the higher standard quantity through inspection, and the quality should be good. So as the quality is good, the product will sell more and the profit will be more. This is the key feature of SAP. And resource planning and optimization, where you have to uses of some equipments, material and labor, preventing of cost and all. So you if you don't use SAP, you require so many things and you have to pay for, and that is more cost efficient cost. As if you use SAP, it's like less cost and you have more products and with good accuracy. This is the motive of SAP, and with shop floor control. And in this, SAP offers detailed shop control capacities allowed to be better coordinate of the product. It allows to be like better coordinate with the products and the shops and activities, inventory management and scheduling. So it will help us to like shift and all. So I will talk about the next slide. In the next slide, we have took some case studies of successful SAP manufacturing implements from the ChatGPT or Google. So it shows that SAP is so successful in the process that it is so used and so accurate that everyone can like in the everyone in the companies can use it. So the first case study of successful SAP manufacturing implements is efficient robotics assembly line. As shown in the image, the robots are assigned assigned in the line. So they are arranged in a sequence that way where a product is made and shifted to another, and as the product increases, that is the accuracy of the SAP. So you will get a well-known artificial intelligence, and you will use some robotics. See, as the robotics arms are connected and assembled in the line to show cast and environment blend and all. So it is a precise. It has about 90% accuracy, and like 10% it will be a like, so something around like that. And the real-time data analysis dashboard. In this, as you can see in the picture, that this is the analysis of the SAP manufacturing which company has of used. So this has a good accuracy, like good growth in the pie chart. As you can see, the growth is good, and it is used, and it will perform indication and process production process, sorry. The dashboard features a sleek and intuitive user interface with vibrant colors and scheme, indicating the seamless integration of SAP manufacturing for enable informed decision making and performance in optimization. And these are the good things in the real-time data where you can see what is going on lively, how the machine, how the SAPs are used, and the collaborative team for process improvement. In this, as you can see, the team management are discussing what product to be more used in, like according to SAP manufacturing, and the teams of engineer will like operate and engage discuss regarding the improvements. So how to improve on product based on the things, based on the demand, how to like this. Then the workspace features a mix of digital and physical tools, highlighting the seamless integration of SAP manufacturing faculties. So you will have like collaboration with different types of companies and different types of datas. So you will improve more and like provide, and this is more lightly problem solving. The scene execute the sense of a teamwork, innovating indicative of successful SAP implementation in forecasting of culture and continuous improvement. So this was my part, and from the next part my friend would like to introduce, and from the next part my friend would like to study explain.
I'm Gangeshwar. I'm going to start with the part of case study of SAP manufacturing. So we have taken a sample company called TechFab Industry, which is automotive industry components located in the United States. So the TechFab industry is a leading manufacturing automotive components specializing in precise engineering parts for manufacturing automotive with a focus of quality innovation, services, and etc. So challenges faced by its complex supply chain. So it has multiple supply chains across the country, and quality control is checking the quality of the products which is produced by the company, which is good enough for the usage of other countries. And data silos areas stored in the separate systems across different departments, leading to shows limited usability in end to end. So there is a confusion in data of systems of manufacturing products. So the uh, solution is SAP ERP. ERP integrate business core function as a finance product. So it basically checks the financial status of the company and it researches it so it will become into a better company. So manufacturing, digitalize and automate. So the quality control of the product and the amount of product which is there would be controlled by manufacturing execution. Quality management is using Six Sigma, which is like very less damage, which is 6% in million. And supply chain management is managing the supply chain across the company's supply chain, which will help in logistics and distribution, demand forecasting, and visualize the saga, reduce excess. So the reduction of inventories will help in growth of the company. Results will be enhanced quality of the products made by the company and improved efficiency in transportation and etc. So this will lead to a better product uh, driven quality and less inventory based company. So it will be more data driven decision making, which is helpful for the company to implement and grow. So I'll move on with challenges considering in implementing SAP. So the challenges faced by consideration implementing SAP is implementation complexity. Implementation complexity of SAP manufacturing can vary on different factors, as the size of organization, existing system, business process, customization process requirements. It generally involves in large planning, customization with existing systems can add up to constantly. Additionally, user training and change management for crucial adaptation will be required. So a lot of changes in the company will be made, which will lead to new problems. But at the end, if everything is done properly, it will lead to a better company. So resource allocation will be a main issue in this. So the allocation of the resource should be proper, and the amount of resource you have should be known by the people in the company to allocate it properly. And the data migration will also be a major issue, which will cause to confusions in the amount of supply you have, or the supply chain you have, or the inventory you have, which will lead to incorrect supply chain management. And integrating it, system analysis integrating involves in analyzing the data flow and efficiency between within a manufacturing environment. That entails processes aligning system goals for capabilities with business goals, which is basically the company is based on the goals of the company will be based on its future purposes, which will enhance the process SAP manufacturing process in the company. And testing and validation is a must in this, because without testing and validation of this, it cannot be happening. Testing and validation of data accuracy will be checked, and they due to synchronization, real-time synchronization and error resolution workflows. So this will help in improving the company, and overall it will lead to more GDP, I mean growth of the company, which will lead into a successful company. So M- MES integration is very important in this. By connecting shop floor operations with SAP Enterprise Resource Planning System, they encourage real-time data exchange, and improving visibility, coordination, and efficiency in manufacturing process, including machine status, inventory levels, work orders, enhancing decision making and resource allocation. This will play a major part in the growth of the company. So implementation strategies for the SAP manufacturing. So the company has to define a clear and measurable objective for manufacturing implementation. For example, if the company has to follow a Six Sigma manufacturing technique, so it has to follow the Six Sigma manufacturing technique throughout this thing with a good data of inventory and supply chain. So engage stakeholders. So they should target the buyers, I mean the customers they are selling it to. So they have to market in such a way using IT staff, foster collaboration, communicate buy-in addresses, etc. Conduct comparison assessment, conduct the current business, so they have to know the current business happening for their product, which is good or bad. They have to decide on that, and they have to make further changes. And tailoring solutions to the business needs. So um, so they have to plan according to a different product, and the time of the launch of product, and the product usability, and many things which plays a major impact in selling the product. So the company has to provide the comprehensive training for the staff, for employees working there, to make it even more to for them to face challenges in the future, which will make the help the company to grow. ensure data quality and integration play. So this plays a major role in whatever manufacturing you take. So we have to check and ensure the data which is being collected, which has to be proper, so it helps in the future of the company. And they have to test it thoroughly so that it will help in the company's welfare. And these things has to be the output, and the result of these things which is being implemented should be taken, monitored and evaluated for the future reference of the company, and it will be used for as indicators for furthermore applying of SAPs. So this will encourage increase the benefits of SAP manufacturing and drive business growth and innovation. Thank
Key performance indicators for SAP manufacturing are metrics that assesses the efficiency and effectiveness of manufacturing operations. These include overall equipment effectiveness, which measures the equipment performance, availability, and quality. Then comes production yield, which measures the percentage of good quality products manufactured. Then comes cycle time, which measures time taken to complete a specific production process or operation. Then comes inventory turnover ratio, which measures how effectively inventory is managed. Then comes on-time delivery, which measures the percentage of customer orders delivered on time. Then comes quality yield, which measures the percentage of products meeting the quality standards. Then comes supplier performance, which measures supplier delivery reliability and material quality. Then comes labor productivity, which measures output per unit of labor input. Then comes scrap and rework rates, which measures the percentage of defective products requiring rework. Then comes energy consumption, which measures the amount of energy consumed in manufacturing the process. These KPIs help us in identifying areas for improvement and drive operational excellence in SAP manufacturing. Continuous improvement in SAP manufacturing involves implementing various methodologies and practices to optimize processes, enhance efficiency, and drive innovation. The key topics under this are lean manufacturing principle, which focuses on eliminating waste and improving efficiency. Then comes Kaizen events. These are short-term projects to improve specific processes or solve problems. Then comes Six Sigma methodology. This is a data-driven approach to reduce defects and variations. Then comes total productive maintenance or TPM. These are systematic approach to equipment maintenance. Then comes continuous improvement culture. This establishes a culture of ongoing enhancements. Then comes key performance indicators. These monitor and analyze performance metrics. Implementing these topics can help organizations drive operational excellence and achieve sustainable growth in SAP manufacturing. Digital transformation in SAP manufacturing uses digital technologies to optimize operations and gain a competitive edge. The key topics under this are integrated business processes. SAP connects functions like production planning and supply chain management for real-time visibility and collaboration. Then comes IoT and industry. SAP uses IoT sensors to collect data for smart manufacturing and issue primitive resolutions. Then comes advanced analytics. SAP offers analytics for data analysis, demand forecasting, and predictive maintenance. Then comes cloud computing. SAP's cloud solutions provide scalability and accessibility for collaboration without heavy upfront investments. Then comes digital twins. SAP supports digital twins for simulating scenarios and identifying improvement opportunities. Then comes supply chain visibility, supply chain visibility and optimization. SAP enables end-to-end visibility and optimization of the supply chain. Then comes customer engagement. SAP enhances customer engagement through personalized products and services. Overall digital transformation in SAP manufacturing improves efficiency and drives growth in the global marketplace. Enhancing supply chain visibility with SAP manufacturing involves using SAP software solution to gain real-time insights into the entire supply chain. The key topics under this are integrated data management. SAP consolidates and harmonizes data from multiple sources for a holistic view of the supply chain. Then comes real-time monitoring. In this, SAP enables tracking of goods, monitoring inventory levels, and receiving alerts about disruptions. Then comes predictive analysis. SAP analyzes historical data to predict future demand, risks, and production issues. Then comes supply chain collaboration. In this, SAP facilitates collaboration and information sharing among supply chain partners. Then comes traceability and compliance. SAP ensures traceability and compliance with regularity requirements. Then comes supply chain insights and reporting. SAP provides reporting and analytics tool for actionable insights. Then there is mobile and IoT integration. Under this, SAP integrates mobile and IoT technologies for real-time data access. Overall, SAP manufacturing helps improve supply chain visibility, collaboration, and performance, leading to effective cost management and customer.
Hello, my name is Avikshith and I am here to discuss about improving quality control with SAP manufacturing. So, improving quality control involves a lot of things. We will discuss these things thoroughly. Quality management module. Here we have little modules that do certain jobs or functions that get feedback of the quality and inform it to you. So this module enables manufacturers to define quality inspection plans, create inspection lots, and perform quality checks. Real-time quality monitoring. Here we will monitor the quality in real time so that we can get feedback always and understand and uh, change or alter our decisions in the production process. Automated inspection process. This is self-explanatory. Basically, the inspection process of the quality at each step of the way is automated using sensors, IoT, and other technical equipment. Here, you will need less labor because the machines will take care of the inspection process. Quality alerts and notifications. So, SAP will help you with the system or the process where the quality, if it is not required to the standard or it's not up to the standard, you will get an alert or a notification saying that stating that the quality is not good. Supplier quality management and root cause analysis. Root cause analysis is basically if you have an issue, if it says quality, we have already discussed about quality alert, right? It will tell you that the alert here quality is not good and the alert it will give. Root cause analysis basically will tell you what is the root cause behind it. This you can do with SAP. Compliance management and continuous improvement. Both of this is basically it'll help you to provide analytics and reporting tools to improve the quality always. Let's go to the next slide. Here we will talk about optimizing inventory management with SAP manufacturing. So SAP manufacturing will help you understand and improve your resource optimization and inventory management. So real-time inventory visibility. Because of SAP, you will be able to always know what you have, what you do not have. So that it will help you plan. So inventory planning and forecasting. If you always know what you have and you don't know and you know what you don't have, you will be easily understanding that you need to buy so and so things and these things you should get before the stock is finished, and which will help you plan inventory. Demand driven replenishment. Here it means that if there is something that you need, your demands of your stock, you will because you know your inventory always, you will understand what object or what supply has demand, which you will buy immediately. So multi-echelon inventory optimization. Echelon is basically a level. So multi-echelon inventory optimization is you will divide the inventory into different levels or categories, so that you can understand and classify the inventory. Batch and lot tracking, ABC analysis and segmentation. This is important because if this will divide, this is similar to multi-echelon inventory optimization, but there you divide it based on functions. Here you divide it based on importance. So ABC analysis is basically if you have certain inventory or certain stock, You will divide it into A, B, C. A is highest of most importance, B is of medium importance, and C is of least importance. So assuming something of A is only half finished, but something of C is totally deprived, so you will first, even though you have a little bit of A, you will first prefer to get A because it is of most importance. So you will divide this the inventory between A, B, C, so that it will help you replenish stocks. Inventory optimization algorithms. Sometimes humans cannot do the best of their ability to get uh, the resupplies and stuff. So they will use in inventory optimization algorithms, which are in SAP, to help with the stock management. So integration with supply chain partners. Supply chain partners are collaborators with suppliers, which will help you like track the inventory. So basically all these points will help you track the inventory, understand what you have, what you don't have, classify what you do not have, and get them based on resources that you do have. So improving production efficiency with SAP manufacturing. So it involves software solutions to streamline operations, optimize resources, and enhance productivity throughout the manufacturing process. We will discuss the following now, which will help in improving production efficiency. So production planning and scheduling, everything needs to be scheduled and planned properly, because you need a proper plan to uh, create a good production efficiently. Shop floor control is the type of the operations that are enable real-time monitoring of production activities. They help in equipment utilization and workforce performance. So resource optimization. As we have discussed before in inventory management, after you understand what you do not have, what you do have, you will use your resources specifically. So this is resource optimization. Quality management. Quality management we have discussed before. Maintenance management is a solution that enables manufacturers to implement preventive and predictive maintenance strategies. So after we have understood what we have and we don't have, we can forecast what are the issues that might come, and by monitoring equipment performance and tracking maintenance activities, you can schedule maintenance tasks and repairs and stuff, so that you can reduce maintenance costs. Inventory management we have discussed. Real-time analytics and reporting. SAP provides real-time analytics and reporting tools that enable manufacturers to monitor key performance indicators, as we have discussed before. Okay, integration with IoT and Industry 4.0 technologies. So everything has been moving in terms of technology and AI. So IoT is Internet of Things, which is basically smart activities and smart devices that will help you to make the process easier, automate the process. So let's go to the next slide. The next slide is training and support for SAP manufacturing users. So SAP is a complicated process, but as it is a good process, you need some training for the staff that are implementing the SAP. So the training of the program should be comprehensive, as mentioned, covering all aspects of SAP, system relevant to the user's roles and responsibilities. So it should be in modules teaching each person what they should do and what they should not do. So it will basically be like an instruction. You should give the workers instruction manual to tell them what they can do, what they cannot do. It will allow users to familiarize themselves with SAP interface. So in addition to initial training, continuous support is essential to address any issues or queries that may arise during daily operations. What this para is basically saying is that you should have a support team as well, because not all the time everyone can manage SAP on their own. So a support team will help you with all the things that you should do, and in case you are making a mistake or something that needs to go to notice, they will help you with that. Let's move on to the next slide. Best practices for optimizing SAP manufacturing processes. So in SAP manufacturing processes, what are the practices that you need to do for it to work properly? Data driven decision making. So as you have mentioned, with the inventory management and manufacturing management and optimization of resources, this is data driven decision making, is where you collect data, you analyze the data, and you say, okay, this is what I need to do and this is what I do not need to do. This is the pros and cons you are able to analyze. Then you can make data driven decision making based on data. Continuous improvement culture. So this is similar, but the thing is, uh, data driven decision making is something that you analyze production and you do, but continuous improvement culture is you already have a decent a decent momentum, and you think of better way to use your resources to improve the production. So integration with IoT, everything is AI and IoT these days. So you will have to optimize your resources and use machines to do things that to save human time that humans cannot do. So that will save human time. Cross functional collaboration, basically there are multiple departments in the production process. So if you establish a link between them or a connection between them, cross functional collaboration, so if they start collaborating with each other and coordinating with each other, the production process will get a lot simpler and faster. Let's go on to the future trends and advancements in SAP. So automation, predictive analysis, integrated supply chain, and sustainable practices. These I have explained above. So we'll go into another slide of this. So automation and robotics is everything you are going to automate. IoT integration. The difference between automation and robotics and IoT integration is IoT integration is interconnected things. So Internet of Things. So one device is connected to another device, which will then coordinate between the devices themselves, which will be connected to a home network, so that it can record all the data that is going on. Robotics is basically an individual machine doing the individual task for itself. So a robotic arm, that is a pick and place robot, will be considered under automation and robotics. IoT integration would be a reading machine or something that a meter that records something and it gives the data to something else wirelessly, and that machine, the home network machine, will gather data through all the things and create a report. AI powered analytics, we don't need to sit and analyze things anymore because we have AI, and AI will analyze and give you the best performing results and best optimized, like resources utilization. It will tell you. Supply chain optimization. This I have told you that if you give coordination between the departments of the production process, it will help you with supply chain management. That's it. Thank you.